In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use user groups on Slack, complete 2026 guide. A Slack user group is one of the easiest ways to mention, notify, or organize an entire team at once. Instead of tagging people one by one, you can use a single group handle, such as a team tag, and instantly reach everyone in that group. It's also useful for channel organization, especially when you need to bring an entire department into a new space quickly. One important thing to know before you begin is that creating user groups is a premium Slack feature, usually available on paid plans. By default, workspace owners and admins can create them, although those permissions can be adjusted in the admin settings. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the left sidebar and click the More option, which appears as the three-dot menu. From that menu, choose Directories. This opens the Workspace directory view. From here, look for the User Groups tab in the top navigation area or sidebar, depending on your layout. Click that tab, and then in the upper area of the screen, select Create User Group. A setup window will appear. In the name field, enter the full name of the group you want to create. This should be something clear and recognizable for your team. In the handle field, type the short version that people will use with the @ symbol. Keep it lowercase and without spaces so it works properly as a tag. If you want, you can also fill in the purpose field with a short description to explain what the group is for. Once that's done, click Next. Now you'll move to the member setup screen. In the search box, start typing the names of the people you want to include, then select them from the list as they appear. You may also see the option to add default channels. This is optional, but it can save time if there are channels this group should automatically be associated with. In some cases, enabling the section option can also create a shared sidebar section for members, which helps keep their workspace organized. When everything looks right, click Create Group. Once the group is created, you can start using it right away. If you want to notify the whole team in a conversation, open any channel or direct conversation where those members are relevant, click into the message box and type the @ symbol followed by your group handle. Then write your message and send it. Slack will notify everyone in that user group at once. You can also use a user group to invite an entire team into a new channel. Open the target channel, use the channel header, invite option, or type /invite in the message field.